welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne, and Dwayne is speaking about Donna and Ashanti. And, he's talking, well, he's listening to a voice recording basically of Tina Chen, that Tina Chen did. And he was, talking about the situation surrounding what Tina is saying. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the radio. You're going to get all the information there. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, prosperity, and all that your heart desires this year. And for all my other followers, my subscribers, my friends, family, and anything else you may call me lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day today. Remember, you only have one life to live. Live it as best as you please and how you please. Have a wonderful day.
Sonia, do you see Tina Chin or anyone else who is in the team who is allegedly out to make Donna's life misery, right? Is these people out here minus one camp? Shit. Let me take Tina Chin out there. Some of the people on the set is a Donna hater. Are they out here doing nonsense things to her, or any of the people them who's out here doing nonsense things to other people, i.e. Ashanti, etc.? Is anyone out here doing nonsense things to them and their families? Anyone at all? And you know of Sonia? Do you see me on my page dragging Donna's family, dragging Ashanti's family, dragging anyone's as a matter of fact, dragging anyone's family in a nonsense? Do you see me doing these things? So my question to you is, why is it okay for phone people to do these things to people? I want to cheer them on. Why? And no one else is doing it. Well, I'm not doing it. Yet still, when them dependent people are dragging my family, I want to cheer them on. I'm soon cheer them on enough time. Me not say uno per se, uno on here per se. Me talk in general. Why is uno on here allowing these things to happen to people and them family? Putting yourself in the people in them shoes. I putting yourself in my shoes. How would you feel if you know the people and your family? So knowing damn well say you personally, you know, go so low to cause trauma or hurt for them family. Why? It's 2025. Jesus is coming. Darling, they've been saying Jesus is coming for a lot of years now. How long in carriage? How long in carriage? Probably I would let that guy in that comment. Probably I would let that guy in the comment on backside. Oh God! Hey, me a sample. I'm a Pam, what happened, girl? I'm a damn sample. Unlucky. You know what says me? I am trying my best to be an ethical blogger. I know a lot of you don't despise me, but that is your business. Uno was already trained to hate people and hate me. I am one of those people Uno was conditioned to hate. You understand? So, do the thing. Just know I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. You understand? The days when we secure, long gone. Bear in mind, recently I come out and say, hello? Peace. I still never want peace. So fuck Uno. Fuck the whole of Uno. Fuck all sides, actually. Everybody. Fuck everybody. Let me do my thing. I always tell the callers, fuck off. Understand? Want me to come out and ask me, hello, hello, white flag. Want to take night, want to ask white flag? No. So the callers, fuck off. Let me just do what makes me happy. That's just it. I'm doing what makes me happy. Anyone is with me, thank you. If you're for, thank you. If you're ally, thank you. If you're anything, anywhere you put yourself, thank you. I just eat that, you understand? I don't care no more. I don't give a shit no more. Just fuck everybody. Fuck every fucking body at this point. Fuck all of you. And I'm telling the truth.
I don't do those things.
True story.
You have never heard that I tried to get somebody evicted. I've never done those things because I don't see the reason for that.
That is a fact. Yes, I say she is a saint because she's not. But I have never seen her go out her way for I get people kicked out of them house. Or going after people's family constantly. I don't see her doing that. But I see Una doing it. I see the planks cheering it on. That much I do see. And planks, I don't care. I not care. Una not like me to say, Una can just fuck off while I'm telling her the fucking truth. While Una can take a strong fuck off. You understand? I'm going to tell you the truth. I have seen Una do that. Una cheer people on to tear her down and her family down. And it's the truth. I have never seen her coming out here and just be constantly at Donegal or at anyone and their family. I don't see her doing it. I'm not gonna tell a lie. I've heard her make one and two reference about the people in family one time, maybe two times, maybe three. But it's not a continuous thing over and over and over. Like I see Una doing. I don't. I'm in a business. Hello? Una don't like me, no say, Una can't take a strong fuck off here. Fuck off. Yeah. Una hate me already? Hate me. For the fucking truth this time. Hate me for the fucking truth. Yes.
I don't see the reason for that.
Oh, and I'm sorry about expletives. I don't know how expletives are coming out just now, but it entered the conversation. No more. We'll be entering this conversation for the rest of this live stream. No more. Not my thing.
Now, yesterday after me, then I enjoy myself a lovely party. I drink cocktails and I toast to life. You know, I'm here toasting to life, having fun with good people, enjoying life, traveling. That's how I live. Me, I enjoy life. I toast. Only depend on me on social media. So basically, you don't feel good if you don't hear nothing from Tina Chin. Well, if you don't want to hear something from Tina Chin, here I am now. Here I am now.
Here
so
I am.
Oh, my bad mind, I'm a this, I'm a that. Because you know what, I'm come out and talk so that you can call me bad mind. Well, if I saw then, I saw then. Might as well. Because when I stay quiet and mind my business literally, nobody likes it. Nobody likes it. When you don't like peace. When you don't like to leave people alone.
Agreed. Them don't like peace. Them is wicked.
You're always coming up out here, stirring up strife and stirring up drama.
Cause them wicked. Them wicked.
What kind of competition? What kind of competition a 5-year-old business like me fit in with a stagnant person? You don't realize that Batman is stagnant. Which part of that you don't understand? He's very stagnant. Because if him come out here and I mess with somebody like me, right? He's messing with somebody like me who's only been in the business for 25. I've only been in the business for 5 years. He's been in the business for almost 30 years. For almost 30 years. He's been in the business and he has to come out and attack me. Who is the stagnant one? I am not the stagnant one. He is. Because me never see him. Me not see him. Because I'm sure if he tells the story, he will tell the story, say, I him find my page. I don't me go look for him. I him find my page, you know. And then start comment on my page. Them I and I kids them and I say, why, mama, go on with herself. Mama. I him find my page. Bam, bam. Me I make you know, say, I him find my page.
Tina Chin, let me tell you why I'm finding the page. Remember, before Donegal had clout, you had clout, right? You actually had clout. I remember when me find you back before me know that, you had more than 1,000 plus people in your live stream all the time, which means you had clout. And how that was his way to pushing himself. So maybe because I look with your clout. But then Donna entered the race, and shit. It never more used to you again. Because Then I go to tap on Iris and say, step aside. I don't want to use you no more. Or with this me going on. So before, and you see with the clout. Say, I want clout, you know, or make it clout. Me butter that one, me butter up that one, yeah. I saw him running by you. I'm telling you the truth. It was very, very calculated. It was, that one, at a point in the night, it was a cunning fox. Donna never called this woman name. She is the Lulu. The Lulu. Chris is not my cup of tea. But he never trouble. How you not say? How you did there? How you did there? Where was he? Luciana, where was he? Are you sure? You sure about the one there? You sure say he never trouble Tina Chin? So let me ask you a question. When he posted her daughter on his page, right? Wasn't that troubling her? Her daughter with cancer. When he posted her daughter with cancer on his page, was that not troubling her? Bear in mind, he is her enemy and she is his enemy. Wasn't that troubling her, Luciana? You see, Luciana, you're one of them big woman who is very biased. You don't like to tell the truth. When he's out here, I cuss her and I call her wretch. When he was trying to prove loyalty to the planks, right? And him out here, cuss her. He go up in crusade for cuss her and call her cool, wretch. A lot of other things. When, to me, you mean I tell her, she's no saint. She's not a saint. She cuss him too. She cuss him backside too. Sometimes she go tell if you look for in trouble too. But I'm gonna say, him look at trouble enough time too. So how are you gonna come? In fact, delete the comment. Delete your ass comment for a black blood clot. Come off. Don't. In fact, come off. Come off. Bye. Come off. I'm not here for your bullshit. If you're gonna talk the fucking truth. Talk the truth. You see me? You see me? I am not afraid to say my truth and what me say. Or what I was a part of. Or what I witnessed. I'm not afraid to say that. But people like you feel like you can come on my page, come spread a narrative. To me, it tells me you was not there. So you don't know anything. You're just coming on you now and I chat to your battle. Don't come on. Stay off. Stay off. This is not your battle. Stay out tight. Stay out of it. And don't come back. This be the last time I say it on my page. I don't want to see you back over here. Yes, let me sit down with my 20 people. I am okay with 20 people. Now come back, Luciana. Don't come back. Don't find your blood clot over your back. Alright. Thanks. Come to the talk, yeah? You're too fucking
Donna go, me I make you know say the Batman where you look up to, where I disrespect your friend, I him find my page. And you know what to Donna? You was no good. And you know say Rose are good for you. Rose are good for you. Me not feel sorry for you either. Right? Because I could never be babysitting somebody's kid. Left my husband a yard and I drive around a big grown adult. We're too lazy for walk around and take public transportation. I could never come out here and still show support to somebody like that. Where literally have my enemy and I push up my enemy more than them I push up me. Look at you, Rose. You're not getting no support from Donna. No support you get from Donna and her followers them. None at all. And look how they're worshipping that Batman with disrespect you and
Sonia, the truth will always be an offense to people who knows this is the truth. How is she gonna come here and say Majesty has never troubled her? I can accept. You see, if she said Donna has not come at Tina Chin in some time now, I would say yes, I will accept that one day. But how is she gonna say? How is she gonna say? Majesty, don't trouble her. Seriously? That one I'm not accept. I'm not gonna accept that one. I'm not accepting that.
Look how them are worshipping.
I'm not accepting. Not the backside.
Look how them a worship that nasty man with disrespect woman. Look how the self-righteous Donna go a push up and a promote this nasty B man who have no respect for women. Right? Who have no respect for women. And you sit on there like an idiot who was for your page, still a promote that woman there. You're mad. You're mad. Look how the man come out and look how the bottom man come out and disrespect your Rose. And look.
Tina Chin, do me a favor, please. Can you stop using the B word, the B man word, please? Because I feel like that word is kind of triggering. I understand you're not talking about me per se, but that word is somewhat triggering. So please, if you're gonna talk, call him another, call him something, call him fish, call him aquarium, call him something, call him shark, call him dinosaur, call him ticks, call him elephant, call him something else. Just not that word. Please, me I beg you, please. Please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Lord God. Sometimes I'm not like play person from my pay because you understand? I can't tell people what I say. What the hell is this?
Donna show her loyalty to him. To him. Basically, she has she have business with nobody. And him she has show her loyalty to. Because why? Him can't make that ugly stagnant cake they bring on gear. You can't really do nothing for her, but give her 2 slices of cheesecake. You understand? So she has show her loyalty to him. With him ugly cake, the confusion cake we make last night. That cake that look like a bag of confusion. Because I mean, I understand how it come into the team where she have. That cake was a bag of confusion. Plus him food no damn good, him cake them no damn good. Me can't say that it no damn good. Because I have videos of people telling me that his cakes don't eat good. And them all beat it past something because them a say it hard. It freeze a burner hard and him decorate the cakes them see him we are sending go give the people them. Me have videos, but I just don't put them out.
Mighty God.
Because if I had put it out with a year, so me a troublemaker and probably would all strike me and all them something there. So in products don't eat good. So that the confusion cake that we all know where come from back in that time, sit down and I try to get me jealous over it not working. Because the cake is back in time. The cake ancient, like him and him lifestyle. That's why I'm stagnant, because the cake is ancient. The cake is ancient just like him. So I don't know what that for me forget. Get jealous about. What is that for me to get jealous of? One bag of confusion. I didn't know where the cake start and where it end. What the hell is that anyways? What is it? A hat? A bucket? A plate? A pot with a cover? I don't get it. What the hell was that? That shit looked like something from the voodoo, from some voodoo nonsense. What the hell was that nonsense? That shit was nonsense. That shit was nonsense. That was a one ugly cake. That cake was very ugly. But the one who I promote it because you know why I'm going to come out and tell, well, see me here. Because everybody I make content off it, you know. You know, under sites I make content about it. So me I come out and make my content in response to it. You know why I'm going to see it. Okay, I saw the cake. The cake looks ugly.
Oh, so that's why people want to come out because they was talking about the cake and the cake conversation. It triggered her to come out. I understand now. I get it now. I was wondering, coming about nobody call her out. The cake. I get it now. I get it.
Atrocious. Is that the best he could do? It looks atrocious. That was an atrocious depiction of such a luxury.
Whether I like it not. I did not get to eat it, so my opinion should not matter. Coming on them none.
Brand. Very atrocious. It was a very ugly cake. There, I said it. It was ugly. Cake ugly. See, you know what I'm see, you don't like, when I'm looking at my own little word. And you know what too? He's over there talking about, you saw the boy wicked. You saw the bucket mouth boy wicked. Right?
Oh, the bucket mouth
boy wicked. With everything we are going on, you know, same over there still a drag rose. Him over there still a drag Rose, you know. I tell Rose who she for write things about and who she not for write things about and all them something there. Him still away here, there, you know. You understand me? Him still out there a dog out Rose, you know. Because him want for himself look good, you know. Him dep on him live a dog out Rose. I talk about Rose should not defend me because me cuss Donna and me cuss Rose and talk about Rose is a man and Rose me them not. And this, I never said those things about Rose. And so what if I had said these things about her? Don't you say a lot more worse? You bucket more boy? Don't you say a lot worse about people? You know, come out here and talk about my vagina and all of these things.